Good day. My name is Vanisharu and I'm excited to present my final year project titled PRP24 Personalized Rehabilitation Plans. This project was supervised by Dr. Fadratul Hafinas Hassan and examined by Associate Professor Dr. Aman Jantar. Let's begin. PRP24 is an intelligent mobile application designed to revolutionize physical therapy by using AI to personalize rehabilitation. The app utilizes machine learning, specifically decision trees and random forests, to dynamically generate and adapt rehabilitation plans for both upper and lower limbs. These plans are personalized based on the patient's medical history, physical condition, recovery goals, and even real-time feedback. Our key goals are fivefold. First, to deliver truly personalized recovery programs. Second, to increase our patient engagement through tailored exercises. Third, to adapt plans in real time. Fourth, to provide data-driven tracking of progress. And lastly, to ensure seamless integration with therapies for collaborative treatment. Moving on. Current rehabilitation systems suffer from four major issues. One, lack of personalization. A one-size-fits-all approach just doesn't work. Two, patient lose motivation when plans don't match their capabilities. Three, there's no dynamic adjustment when the patient's condition changes. And four, therapists face difficulty integrating into or updating digital plans. To solve these problems, PRP24 was designed to meet clear objectives. We developed a user-friendly mobile app to manage rehab plans. Users and therapists can input goals and medical data through guided forms. The app leverages machine learning to personalize and adapt plans in real time. Progress tracking is built in for trend analysis, and finally, a feedback loop enables continuous improvement based on patient and therapist input. Following is the module diagram. So there's five modules. The first module is user input and authentication module. Second one is the rehabilitation plan generation module. Thirdly is the progress tracking and visualization module. Fourth is the therapies interface module, and lastly is the feedback and communication module. So these are the module diagram for my application. Moving on. So the system begins with collecting essential inputs, medical history, physical conditions, goals, and feedback. These are processed to extract features like pain levels and recovery trends. This rich data becomes the foundation for intelligent decision making. We use decision trees and random forests to analyze patient data. These models predict optimal therapy strategies and recommend suitable exercises. What's powerful is that they tailor difficulty levels and adjust plans dynamically. This ensures support for both upper and lower limb rehabilitation. So this personalized approach ensures that plans adapt in real time based on user progress. It increases user engagement, improves compliance, and makes it easier for therapists to collaborate and adjust plans as needed. So the impact of PRP24 is wide-reaching. For patients, it means faster recovery and higher motivation. For therapists, it provides clear visibility into patients' progress and helps in making data-supported decisions. And for the healthcare system, it can lower costs while promoting digital transformation in rehabilitation. So, technically, PRP24 consists of a mobile front end built with Flutter. The backend uses Python through either Flask or Fast API. For data storage and synchronization, we rely on Firebase. So, this architecture ensures fast, real-timing updates and easy scalability. Thank you. And to conclude, PRP24 represents a meaningful step toward AI-powered healthcare, specifically in rehabilitation. So, let's proceed with the system demo. Okay, welcome to the system demo for personalized rehabilitation plan. So once you have run in, open the app. So this is the first thing that is popped up. So for as a user, we just sign up, sign up for now. So for now, I'll just put my names. So at gmail.com, and then for the password, we just put for now. Okay. So once you have fill in the details, you can sign up. So for now, we won't talk about this step here. We'll go on for the next. So once you have signed up, you should be directed into straight into the app. So as you can see from here, the first thing to do is to go and create a plan. Okay, so this is one of the features, the first feature. So the first feature is to create your rehabilitation plan. So for firstly, we have to input our medical history. For example, sprain, we had a sprain injury, and for surgical injury, we have like ACL reconstruction. So continue, and then moving on is the affected body part. So for now, we put knee, and then current pain level we just put to 7. Okay, so the pain location also there's many, so you can choose from joint, muscle, tendon. So for now, we choose muscle. Then moving on, we can set our rehabilitation goals. What are we going to achieve through this rehabilitation? So let's say if you want to increase strength and returns to spot, and then you just click on it. After clicking this, we will press generate plan, which uses the AI model, which is the decision tree and random forest, to actually extract the user details and create a personalized rehabilitation plan. So once we clicked on that, you can see our our new plan, which is the new rehabilitation plan. And then from the plan overview, you can see it's a careful low intensity plan because our current pain was high, which was 7. So you can see our goals, which is to focus on strength and return to spot. So here you can see your goal is high, and then your current goal is to increase strength. Then moving on, you can see all the recommended exercises which has been personalized for you, and then you can see the steps which to consult you, to advise you. So once you have got this plan, you can just press save plan, and then, okay, and then you can go back to your dashboard. Then for now, you can see you can choose your plan. So this is the current interface for the dashboard with the plan, and then you can see there's view plan progress, and then you can see this therapy progress. Yeah. So first, let's click on the progress. Okay, so based on the days, we actually set the exercises to be weekly, and it's from Monday to Tuesday. So for example, now today we want to do our exercise. So we start. Okay, so you can see here, this is the pre-pain level check, to check your pain level before you start the exercise. So from here, let's say it's still 7, so you start. So you can see it's wall squats, knee, 2 sets, 6 reps, and then the duration is between inside 1 minute. So you can see the instruction here, which is to stand by with your back against the wall, and then the instructions, and then we can start the exercise. So let's say now I'm reading the exercise instructions, and then I'm doing 1, 2. So you can see there's rest time in between. So for demo purposes, I'm going to speak the rest, and then you can go 1, 2, and then you can just finish it. Okay, once you have completed, you can see the exercise is complete. Great job, you completed wall squats. And then you can see your summary for the exercises. How if it's green, that means you have completed everything. And then your 1 minute target is yellow, so it's actually average. And then you can see the feedback. So how do you feel now? Rate your pain level after the exercise. So let's say it has decreased. So okay, and then you can choose your difficulty after that, your feedback difficulty, whether it was too easy, just right, or too hard. So let's see this. Let's just put too easy, and then you can just put some additional notes. How did you feel? So feel good and was easy. Okay. So once you submit the sum, it uses the AI analysis, which is the random forest again and the decision tree, which is combined. So you can see your effectiveness score is 100%. That means you have completed all exercise in between the time frame, and then the exercise was beneficial for pain. So you can see the AI recommendations, which is great pain decrease significantly. This exercise is very beneficial, excellent progress, and then some other recommendations also. And then you can see the next step is the AI adjustment applied. So this AI adjustment is to apply the sets, the reps, your duration, and also your difficulty for the next session, which is the following week. So you can see the feedback has been submitted successfully. So what you can do is to now finish and return to progress, and we refresh now. Okay, so you can see it's 1 of 5 completed. So we go to the next week tab. You can see the next week scheduled exercise with the different with the increased reps because the exercise was too easy just now. So yeah, so I will show you another example. So let's say our pain is low. Okay, so we can see step on a platform with your affected leg, then step down, which is like going up and down the stairs. So we start the exercise. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you take your rest, keep rest. Congratulations. So you have completed the step ups. So you can see here we actually done it very fast. It's showing great. So carrying on, you can see exercise complete. So for now, I just put the pain has been increased to let's say 8. Okay, and then how was the difficulty? So now let's say it was just too hard. So you just write hard and tiring. Okay, so you submit it back. The AI analysis uses the personalized. So as you can see, the effectiveness score is 65%. So this exercise is not very effective. So you need to monitor the pain level closely because it has increased. So what has changed for the next session is the size remains same and the duration has decreased. So you can just finish off earlier. Yeah. So you can see the feedback is submitted successfully and we return and we refresh. Okay. So it's showing stuff outside being completed. So we go to the following. So it's scheduled for next week. So we can see all the scheduled. Yeah. So you can see the exercise equation. And then yeah, we can call it. So going on, we can see the charts. So no progress data available for now because we haven't completed the progress exercises. So yeah, you go here. So you can see the pain level is showing 5, which is average because we did for good test and for bad test. So one of the other features is therapist check. So for now there's no therapy assigned. Okay, so this one I will do later. So I will show you. So you can see my plans is where your progress is saved. So you can see the progress. It will bring you to the same new rehabilitation tool. So for progress tracking. Okay, so for notification you cannot see anything because no one thing has been assigned. Okay, so I'll pause and finally you can see the profile page. You can see welcome back Abu, the name for profile information, and then not sign because I will explain about this in the next video, in the next session. So you can see sign up, and here is the education resources for patients. So you can better understand this app. So you can understand your condition, exercise important, proper form guide, FAQs, yeah, and then the nutrition and many things. You can read this. Okay, so I'll be logging out now. Okay, then we'll be signing up as a therapist. So now our therapist name is so at just now. So Naveen at gmail.com. And 123 123. Yeah, so for now you just click I am therapist. So you sign up. Okay, so this is the therapist registration. So this is for actually when it is really commercialized. So if the professional is number you can just key in for now. For example, physical therapist, what therapist they use, so just use one. You can just put your experience, like degree, and you can just put US and then just put your address. Yeah, just put US, yep. And then you can just complete your registration. So once you will see, you can see therapist profile submitted. So this is the dashboard for therapists. So what therapist will do first is to add the patient. So just we put the Abu, add, yeah, as you can see we have Abu. So Abu is here, add patient. Once you have added, you can see total patients, active plans, and then you can see now this literature. So let me give you another example. So I am adding another person. Okay, so now for now there's two patients. So you can see. So we go to the patients. You can see. So there's two person. This thing is Abu and Muslim. So you can see there's Abu and Jimmy. So you can edit the details. You can go and you message them, create a new plan for Abu, or even remove the person. So you can see a current rehabilitation plan, which has been created just now, which is a new rehabilitation plan. And then we can see our recent progress. We completed 2 exercises. And then we can see how the rating. This rating is actually the pain level. And then going on, I'll show you that you can see your rehab plans. And then as a therapist, you can go and edit the plan for Abu. And let's say you can see the, let's say you will just want to increase his reps. And we just update it. So you can see rehabilitation plan updated successfully. And then moving on, you can see his progress. Here we had a 78% average, 2 sessions complete in 3.2. So this is just show the progress. So moving on, I'll show another person. So you can see here same thing, more exercise. There we have plans. Yeah, so there's like many. So just update plan, progress. There's many. Okay. And then moving on, you can see notification. Okay, so this is a new therapy, so no notification for now. So you can moving on to is the chat. So for now, I just message Abu. Then we can use a quick reply. Keep it up. Great progress. Keep it up. So carrying on. And then you can just put Abu. Keep going. So you can upload your therapy section, which is to send me the exercise plan, schedule appointment, or request for the pain update, or request for the progress report, and also for set reminder. So that's a few things. And then going back to the dashboard, you can see the activity, and then what happened to my active plans, yes. And you can go and see the profile. So this is a therapist account. And then you can see the name. And this education site is for the therapist resource center. So what here you can see is many things for the therapists, which is the education materials, then the best practice, professional development, and also the practice management. So you go back to your profile and then you can sign up. Okay. So for now, we'll go and check Abu again because we didn't get any notification just now. Okay, so Abu, okay, for now you can see there's join notification. And when you say therapist, great progress, keep it up. Abu. So okay, so you can see assigned therapist is Nabi, sports medicine. So when you go back to your sign, yeah, so sports medicine Nabi, so it will be showing in front the what specialist are you?